Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you one very interesting life hack. I have hard water, so lime scale on the faucet appears very quickly. If yours is the same, then see what you can do to keep the faucet clean longer. First, you need to clean the faucet from hard water deposits. I showed how to do this. I leave a link to a detailed video in the hint and in the description. Next, you will need parchment paper coated with silicone. Regular paper is rough, but this one is smooth to the touch. Tear off a small piece of paper. Now you need to rub the tap with this paper. Thus, you will cover the faucet with a thin layer of silicone, which will protect it from lime scale. Look, now the drops of water will simply drain from the faucet, and lime scale on the faucet will not appear as quickly as before. Please note that this procedure must be done on a regular basis. Well friends, put a thumbs up under the video if you like this advice. Also subscribe to the channel, I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!